हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और हम लोग आ जाए हैं सीताकुंड वाटरफॉल, जो कि बारीपदा टाउन से ओनली 25 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस पे है। एंड वी नीड टू ट्रैक अ लिटिल टू रीच टू द फॉल्स।
Probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So
Sitakund actually has 7 levels of waterfall, so after enjoying at the main falls for some time, we decided to go to the second waterfall, and now it is again time for a short hike and a steep one compared to the first waterfall. That level is first waterfall, and here if you go a little bit further, that would be the second one, and you can go up I think till 5th or 4th, and then there is no way to go to the last ones because you cannot climb.
I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, my time. Don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is my time. My time. Don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is my time. Don't go wasting my time. Don't go wasting my time.
Before coming to this place, remember that there are only few shops available at the parking place. And yes, if you are coming to Sitakund, you can also visit Lulung, for which you need to enter Simlipal National Park and drive 4 to 5 kilometers inside the forest. Yeah, so that's it from today's video, and I hope you guys have liked this one. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you again in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.